Most AI incidents don't start with a bad model. They start with a bad workflow. Someone trusts a confident answer. Someone pastes sensitive data. Or an agent takes an action without a human checkpoint. It's human in the loop. HITL means a human is intentionally placed in the workflow to review, approve, correct, or override the AI before something important becomes real. Think AI drafts, human reviews, human approves, then it ships. HITL matters because AI can be wrong in confident ways. It can be tricked by untrusted content. It can leak data through outputs or logs. And once tools are connected, bad text can become bad actions. Here's the simplest oversight framework. Level 1, AI suggests it offers options. Humans decide at lowest risk. Level 2, AI drafts plus human approves. Best default for most teams. Level 3, AI acts. The system triggers actions automatically. Highest risk. Practical rule. Start at level 2, draft only, and earn level 3 with testing, monitoring, and incident readiness. Make HITL mandatory for customer-facing. Comes high-stakes domains like legal, medical, financial, HR, anything involving sensitive data, any tool-connected actions like CRM updates or code merges, and anything that could be interpreted as official policy. Pattern 1. Draft-only AI can draft anything, but nothing gets sent, published, or posted automatically. Pattern 2. Map every tool as read, write, or irreversible. Read can run. Write needs approval. Irreversible needs stronger approval, or disable it. Pattern 3. Pause and explain. Before any write tool call, the AI must say what it plans to do, exactly what will change, who's affected, add a short risk note, and then wait for explicit approval. And for irreversible actions, payments, deletions, permission edits, use two-person approval when feasible. Quick mini labs. Label your top AI use cases as suggest, draft plus approve or act. Add one approval gate to a real workflow and run a tabletop scenario, wrong email or wrong CRM update, so you can practice containment. Red flags. AI outputs are sent externally with no review. Agents have write access with no approval gate. Nobody can answer who approved this. Logs are missing and there's no kill switch. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow and keeps these practical guides coming.